All right, stop number 2, and I'm gonna have to change my battery at some point in time. Gamehaven. And there's a new trail here. I don't know if I'll get to it or not. But I haven't been here in a couple of years. So we're gonna start with loading, of course, because that's the trail you load on. Loading. Oh, they don't have it marked anymore. So they've actually got these signage up for what looks like fat bikes. Okay, so duck is what I'm on. This is gray duck. It's a black diamond, 100%. And that's about the only part that's black diamond. But I like doing that. It's a little bit damp here and there. I'm anticipating that. So this frisbee golf thing that they got going on. Bypass. All right. I'm gonna do the bypass. I'm doing what I know I've done before. I don't know what this is, but I think it goes back to the rockiness of death. It goes back and turns around. That's what it looks like to me. Yep. Okay. I'm kind of getting my bearings in here again because it's been a while since I've read this stuff. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, cool. Ah, there goes a frisbee golf disc. Wow, you really see that thing. So the golfers are throwing their things down and they're trying not to get it in the lake. They're down there now. But I know where I am at, so this is actually one of the better trails right here. This one's more technical with rock and some turns. So we're gonna do this one, and then I'm probably gonna go back. Oh yeah, look at the rock. It's actually not bad. It's just rock. It's going to be a rocking. Awesome. Rockers. More rock in here than I was remembering. Maybe they put more down. I don't know. But this is the last trail before you decide to either turn back or whatever you're gonna do, man. You're gonna do. Oh yeah. People won't believe this. They're like, it's still a green trail. Yeah. Oh. It's a wooden feature. I'm totally riding it right now. I wasn't sure about it, but I was like, you know what? I'm going for it. So that's new. Well, I asked him what was new, and I think he was thinking trails, and I'm talking about features and trails. Yeah, there's a new trail here, but that's pretty awesome. This is the fun part right here. It is like East Park, East Park. I don't remember that part. Oh my gosh. Okay. And another one. Ooh. Use your speed. Actually, this might be a bit wow. Yeah, it might be a bit wow. That's the end of it. So now speed. Nope, not quite. Throw that bike to the side. This part is really fun. But I can never get enough speed. Oh, somebody was kind enough to make a path. I don't think that's official. I have drop dealers. I've done this so many times. See, that drop scares me the first time I do it. And then the second and third time I do it, I'm fine. So, speed and stay on my pedals. Stupid, dumb, flat pedals. Oh yeah, that time I got it. Oh, bad case, but I got the first one. He's jumping his friend. I don't know if you can see it. Nice. Nice. Nice.
It's easy.
You think it's easy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hardest part is getting the gear right up top.
Yep. Oh, he's not even hitting it that hard. Nice. Yeah. Wind's not doing anybody any good today. I just hope this takes me back to the car. Oh, look at the rock formations. I want to ride them. Yep. Back to the car. This is where I parked. Parking lot. I kind of want to do them, but I kind of want to like, holy crap. Ooh. Yeah, I think I can do those. Should I do them? Fly down them? You're not supposed to do that. Well, open the mountain bike trails then. They are. Next year. Next year, next year, next year, next year. Next year. Oh, I cleared them all that time. Wow. That's a doozy. Bugs in my face. What's going on? Drop! That's kind of a wussy drop, but they should actually, they got a dual thing there. They should actually, maybe they're going to build a platform there. Somebody behind me. Get out of their way. I assume you're going faster than me. See if I can keep up with them. Okay, I see jumps. I'm going to slow down, back up, and hit them. So far, this has been kind of a green trail with some. So, my earlier video, I just explored the blue trail, the Grim Trail, and I said that was an easy, fun green trail for a beginner. This is the same thing. This is a beginner trail. Come on, I want some fun stuff. Last hurrah. That'll open up to massive gap jumps. My legs are about ready to fall off. I will not be doing this again. No horses. This must be a horse trail. They really need to have like a warning horse trail ahead. Total black diamond. Okay, here is the new stuff. But it's actually not that bad. You just gotta coast through it. I think they added a little bit more. Let me go this way. Now, initially, not so bad, but they're going to put this tree in part of it. And from what I understand, they're gonna use that stuff too. So we'll have to check back. I was kind of hoping it'd be more done. That was about, maybe they laid a few more rocks. All right, I built a little ramp right there. I'm gonna try it. The key is to get a good line. I didn't have a very good line. Oh, yeah, I really sailed that time. Sweet. Let's see if that stays. This is attempt number 2. The wind is really kind of throwing me off too. But if you want to be in a fairly easy gear, all you have to do is roll through this. And there's an infinity amount of options. And then you just get up on it, keep going, keep going. Oh yeah! Okay, so I did it in reverse one time, and that was really easy. Upside down garbage cans. So they got some really sweet stuff in here that they're building. Eventually. place they should build a pump track. Oh my gosh, are you serious right now? I don't wouldn't call that urban, but okay. Wow. Crazy. Dun, 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 dun. This is my second time. Please. People on the bridge, but I can't run. Dun, 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 dun. I'm passing you guys here. Yeah, I'm going nice and slow.
You're taking the whole way.
It's all good. I think it's supposed to be a walk bridge anyways, so whatever. No matter to me. All right, and then there should be a pump track at the base of this, which I thought would be the best. Wow! You get so much speed coming off that thing, and that is the end. Oh, rock garden. There's enough room on this side for a pump track.